Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Are you running Google Ads but get poor quality leads? Today I will show you how you can get high quality leads from Google Ads that actually convert into customers. Firstly, we will know that what a quality leads. A quality lead is someone who need your service, can afford it and ready to take action. If you don't define clearly, Google Ads will bring traffic, not right people. Choose the right keywords. It is the most important step. Always focus on high intent keywords. Keywords show the person is ready to buy or contact. For example, instead of dental clinic, use dental clinic at near me. Phrase match and exact match. Avoid the relevant search. Use negative keywords. To protect your budget, add negative keywords. These stop your ads from showing the people who are not serious buyers. For example, you sell service. Exclude words like job, free, training, course. These alone can improve leads instantly. Write clear and honest ad copy. Your ad should attack the people and filter out the wrong ones. Be specific about your service, your location, and your pricing list. Send traffic to high quality landing page. Never send Google Ads traffic a random landing page. Your landing page should have one clear message, one clearly call to action, and a simple contact form. The easier it is, understand, the better leads. Track and optimize conversation. Finally, always track your conversation. Check the which keywords, ads, and location are being the best leads and pause the rest. Google Ad is not set and forget. It more optimize and more get quality leads. To summarize, quality leads come from right keywords, clear ads, strong landing page, and continuous optimization. If you do this step correctly, Google Ads becomes one of the best tool for lead generation. If any needed, please contact me, WhatsApp or drop a comments. Thanks for watching.